Are you always bloated or tired after eating? Or do you notice that you gain weight for absolutely no reason? These are signs that your digestion is broken. Now, in Ayurveda, this is called Agni, and there are 4 types. In this video, I'm going to show you which one you are and how to fix it. Join me. Welcome back to my channel, Uniquely You. I am Kelsha, your Ayurvedic wellness coach and women's empowerment coach. Today, we're going to take a look at the 4 states of digestion. Now, we all know that our digestion is the foundation of our health. And in Ayurveda, we call this Agni or digestive fire. But here's the thing. Not everyone has the same digestion. And if you feel sluggish, bloated, or you are consistently hungry, even after having a large meal, and you notice that your weight is not stabilized, it's up, it's down, or it's just not moving no matter how much you work out or you diet, then these are the signs that your body is letting you know that your Agni, your digestive fire, is out of balance. In this video, we're going to explore the 4 different states of digestion or Agni, how to assess where you are, and what are the signs in your body from appetite to weight to tongue coating. So let's dive into this video. Let's take a look at the 4 states of digestion. The first one is balance. This is your sweet spot. Your Agni is perfect. Your digestive fire is at the right temperature. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. It's just perfect. Your appetite is in sync with the time of day and your activity level. You feel hungry when it's time to eat, and you feel satisfied after a meal. How many of you feel satisfied after a meal? I know for me, before I dealt with my digestive issues and I learned about balancing my dosha and eating the right foods that's appropriate for my unique body markup, I used to be snacking all the time. Now, when your digestion is balanced, it is smooth. There's no bloating, there's no heaviness, there's no discomfort after meals. Your weight is stable and appropriate to your frame. Tongue coating is clear. There's no coating. And most importantly, there's no armor, no toxins lingering in your body. Now, number 2, we have sharp Agni or sharp digestion. It is hot. It is so hot that it burns through toxins. Now, if your Agni is too sharp, you'll know it. You'll always be hungry. Even right after eating, you'll feel like you need to have more. You might wake up feeling hungry, ravenous, and feeling like you need to snack all day. But with this sharp Agni, this heat, it comes with consequences. You might experience burning in the stomach, sour belching, loose stools right after meals. Your tongue coating may be a bit yellow, and your weight is often on the lower side, and you may need to eat more food just to keep the weight on your body. And with this sharp heat, there's usually no armor. Because of the heat, it burns through everything. It burns through the nutrients. It burns through the toxins. So your body doesn't really get anything from the food that you are taking in because your digestive fire is too intense. Number 3, in our digestive state, we have low Agni or low digestive fire. This is the sluggish state. You rarely feel hungry, and you might just eat out of habit or routine. And you will notice that even after having small amounts of food, you feel full and heavy. You may feel sleepy and nauseous or definitely bloated after meals. and it takes a long time for your body to digest this food. Your weight is moderate to high, and you might gain weight even just eating a little bit of food. You may notice that you put on weight. Now, your tongue shows a white coating, a clear sign of armor or toxicity. This low Agni or low digestive fire does not have the capacity to process the food in a timely manner, process the nutrients in a timely manner. So you may eat, and then like you may notice 3-4 hours after, even after having small amounts, you still feel full, heavy, and bloated. Now let's jump into number 4. Number 4, we have variable Agni or variable digestion. This one, it's high, low, hot, cold. It's all of the above. This one is a roller coaster, ladies. Some days you're starving, other days there's no appetite at all. You can't predict how you feel after eating, and the symptoms vary. Drop in the comments below if any of you experience days where you go about all day, most of the day, and you haven't had anything to eat, and then when you notice, you're like, oh, I didn't eat today, but you wasn't hungry. That happens when your when your digestion is variable. Some days you may go all day and not eat, and then some days you just need to eat. Even after an hour of eating something, you may need to put something in your body again. Now, the symptoms of this can be, some days, as I said, you're starving, other days there's no appetite at all, and you can't predict how you'll feel after eating. It also comes along with, like, one day it's gas and bloating, the next it may be pain or even undigested food in your stool. Now, undigested food in your stool is a clear sign that there's something going on with your digestive system. And your weight goes up and down, it's never stabilized, and your tongue coating is gray or brown, in another clear sign of armor or toxins in your body. Stress and irregular eating habits and anxiety can throw this digestion type all over the place. So with your digestion being variable, added with the stress of life, not enough sleep, it just throws you all over the place. Your mind is scattered. Your mind is scattered, your digestion is scattered. So now let's take a look at what we can do to help pacify these symptoms. So ladies, how do you know where you are? How do you assess your Agni, your digestion, your digestive fire? Very simple. Here's what you should consider. Your appetite. Is it steady? Is it intense? Is it weak? Is it unpredictable? Your digestive symptoms. Do you experience gas, bloating, heat, sluggish, or smooth sailing? Weight trends. Do you gain weight easily? Do you lose weight easily? Or does it fluctuate? Or is it steady? Your tongue coating, is it clear, yellow, gray, or brownish? You can check your tongue first thing in the morning. This is your body giving you real-time feedback on what is going on with your health, your digestion, your metabolic fire. First thing in the morning, check the coating on your tongue. I would leave a link to a video where I talk about tongue scraping and how to know what your tongue is telling you. Okay? Now, if you would like to dive deep into what is going on with your body, with your digestion, not what's trending. If you would like for us to collaborate and create a plan that works for you. I would leave a link where you can book a personalized one-on-one consultation with me, and we can discuss how you can bring Ayurveda into your daily lives. Now, I am Kelsha, an Ayurvedic wellness coach, and I work with women. Now, you know how we as women experience, we take care of everyone and everything outside of ourselves. We're taking care of home, we're taking care of career, we're taking care of kids, and we nurture and we care for everything and everyone outside of us, and inside our body is screaming for us to start taking care of ourselves. Now, and we don't listen, and what happens? We get sluggish digestion, we get breakouts, we're stressed out, we get anxiety. Okay, so I work with women to help them bring this balance back into their lives with Ayurveda. And after working with me, these women, they're happy, they have great elimination, they have great digestion, their skin is glowing, they're happy. Before they thought, oh my God, Ayurveda. When people hear Ayurveda, they think it's complicated. But it's not. So if you would like to start experiencing that balance in your life with simple Ayurvedic tips and herbs and rituals that help you feel loved and nurtured, click the link and let us start collaborating to bring you that balance and bliss that you rightfully deserve. Okay, so remember, ladies, your digestion is your power. When you understand your Agni, your digestive fire, you can take control of your health, your energy, and your life. So tell me in the comments below, which one do you think you are most likely right now? Which state are you experiencing right now? Is it balanced? Is it variable? Is it low? Or is it hot and sharp? Drop in the comments below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the share button. Peace, love, and blessings.